Hi everyone, it's me, Spring, the fiber enthusiast, and welcome to the channel. Today's tutorial is going to be on this ear warmer. Things that you might need is a crochet hook and some yarn, a pair of scissors, a stitch marker, and a darning needle. Now, depending on the yarn you choose and the hook you choose is going to depend on kind of your tension and everything, but I'll tell you what I used for this was some 5-weight, some bulky weight yarn, but it's more thinner, bulky. It's just a little bit thicker than a worsted weight. Now, I want to show you a couple different options here. So I'm going to make it in this color in a solid for the tutorial, but I'm showing you with this variegated color and a solid. And I'll also show you, this is a smaller version. It's only half the size. And that's just the variegated or striped yarn. So trying to give you a couple of options here. I personally like this, but we're going to do it in a solid to start with. So for me, like I said, I am using a 5-weight and I'm using a 6mm crochet hook. We're going to start with a chain of 60. And once you have 60, you're going to join in the round and work 1/2 double crochet in every stitch all the way around. So we're going to just continue working a chain until we have 60 stitches. As I said, once you have 60 stitches, you're going to join in the round, taking care not to twist your chain. Once you have joined in the round, we're now going to chain 1 and 1/2 double crochet back into that same stitch, and 1/2 double crochet in each and every chain stitch all the way around. You will have 60 1/2 double crochets at the end of your round. You will slip stitch to the top of your very first 1/2 double crochet. All right, once you've slip stitched to your very first 1/2 double crochet, we're going to chain 1 and we're going to front post 1/2 double crochet around that 1/2 double crochet post. Then we're going to back post 1/2 double crochet around the next one. And we're going to be creating a 1x1 ribbing. Front post, 1/2 double crochet, back post, 1/2 double crochet. All the way around, you will be ending with a back post 1/2 double crochet and slip stitching to your very first 1/2 double crochet to end the round. Once you have done that, I'll meet back up with you. All right, once you've made it to the end and slip stitch to your very first stitch, we're going to chain 1 and single crochet back into that stitch. Now we're going to create fans or shell stitches all the way around. So now we're going to skip 1, 2, and into the third, we're going to place 5 double crochets. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we're going to skip 1, 2, and single crochet into the next stitch and repeat. Skip 1, 2, and into the third, place 5 double crochets. and then skip 2 and single crochet into the next. When you come to the end of the round, you're going to slip stitch to your very first single crochet to end your round. I'll meet back up with you at that point and show you the next round. All right, for your next row, we're going to start off with a mock double crochet, or you can chain up, whichever you feel most comfortable doing, for a double crochet. And then place 2 more double crochets into that same stitch for a total of 3 to start with. We'll end the round with 2 more double crochets into that same stitch. All right, now we're going to skip 1, 2 and single crochet to the top of the next stitch, which is the center double crochet of those 5. Now we're going to 5 double crochets down here in this single crochet. So skip 1, 2 and into the next 5 double crochets. And we're repeating this all the way around. It's 3, 4, and 5. And skip 2, 1, 2, and single crochet to the next. And then you just repeat. Skip 1, 2, and 5 double crochets down into the next. Again, when you come to the end, you're going to place 2 more double crochets into this same stitch and slip stitch to your very first double crochet. Whether it's a mock double crochet or a chain up, you'll slip stitch to the top of your stitch to end the round, and then I'll meet back up with you for the next round. All right, for your next round, you're going to chain 1 and half double crochet back into the same stitch. And then you're going to place 1 half double crochet in each and every stitch all the way around for 60 stitches. Once you have done that, you're going to repeat the last 2 rounds you did of shell stitches. So I'll bring this back over. So we have 2 rounds of shell stitches, a round of half double crochets, then we're going to repeat the shell stitches, and then we repeat the half double crochet round and the front post double crochet round, front post, back post, half double crochet round. So we're here, we are doing a half double crochet round. Then I'm going to leave you to do 2 rounds of shells. Repeat the last 2 rounds we just did. And then repeat the half double crochet round. I'll be back to show you the front post, back post one more time on the half double crochet. And we'll finish this up. All right, for the last round, we're going to chain 1 and front post half double crochet around that first stitch. And then we're going to back post half double crochet around the next stitch. And we're just repeating that same ribbing. Front post, half double crochet, back post, half double crochet, and then when you get to the end of the round, you will slip stitch to your very first half double crochet and cut away from your ball of yarn, sew in your ends, and you will be done. I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'll be right back. All right, so here we are. Here is the solid one. And here is the two-tone, or multi-tone, should I say. All right, so it is up to you how you decide that you want to work this up. You could work it up in straight up variegated or self-striping, but it looks great no matter how you work it up. All right, everyone. So that is it for this ear warmer tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. And If you make this, I would love to see it. Please feel free to share it over in the Facebook group or in a private email. All right, everyone, be blessed, be a blessing, and until next time, bye for now.